So here we are. We have this LuXmaN Model 71 3R solid state AM FM stereo receiver. Huge guys. I cannot believe this stereo is way look at that way bigger than my other receivers, guys. Even my integrated amplifiers, this is way, and it's freaking heavy. Oh my god, I can't believe this for real. Beautiful piece, guys. I mean, what I'm doing here right now, guys, I opened the inside of this receiver and I checked the capacitor, and they are huge capacitor, guys. Yeah, huge capacitors. And the transformer, guys, you can see big transformer, guys. I mean, this thing can throw a lot of punches and a really good quality of sound because the capacitors and the transformer, guys. I mean, it's really crazy. I mean, so right now, guys, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna clean this receiver, guys, and make it kind of, you know, kind of look better than before. So this is what I do, guys, when I get my when I unbox my brand new receivers or amplifier. So I make sure that this is clean and make sure that it's all lubricated. So I have to lubricate some of this knobs and some of this buttons. So guys, I'm trying to clean the front, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna spray that like that and just, you know, clean it, make sure that the dust and so guys, I bought this LuXmaN for 750 US dollars. I got it down to 750. He's selling it for 900 US dollars, and he agreed to my offer for 750. And I had to pay for the shipping, guys. This thing is heavy. Came from Las Vegas and ship it to my place, and now it's here, and I cannot believe this, really. I mean, it's really nice looking piece, guys. It's huge compared to my other receivers and amplifiers, guys. What an amazing piece. So there's the model right there. So right here, guys, I tried to dust it out using my brush, and just, you know, be gentle when you clean it. Don't push it too much or too much pressure. So you just take the dust out, you know. So, or you can get like the air can, the one that you use for your computer, for your laptop, to clean your computer. You can get that at the store, and that's probably less than $10, and you can easily clean this motherboard without brushing it. But I like to use this brush when I clean my stereos, guys. You know, this thing is expensive, guys. I mean, this is like $1,000, and I got it for $750. Yeah, because we negotiate, we throw some prices and messages back and forth, and you know, I mean, I think he really need the money because he wants this $900, guys, and he gave it to me for $750. but I paid $100 for the shipping and handling, and I spent 800. So I'm gonna try and listen to the sound of this LuXmaN, and I know it's gonna sound amazing, guys. And if I decided to sell this one day, then I'll probably sell this for $900 or $950, and then I get my profit, and we'll see. So I'm gonna test it out and listen to the sound of this receiver. But right now, guys, I just got this, and I'm just trying to clean it, you know, and make sure that it's clean before I test it out. Yeah. Then after that, I'm gonna go to the back of this receiver, and I'm gonna do the cleaning. All right, guys. So now that I cleaned the front, guys, as you can see, I cleaned the front all over, the corners, the buttons, the knobs, the switch, yeah, those switches, and over here, and these buttons, guys. And I'm gonna redo it again. So I'm gonna do the second cleaning after my first, and I'm gonna finalize it so everything is clean and everything is good. So that's how I do it, guys. I clean it first, then take a break, then do the second cleaning, guys. So I cleaned the inside, guys, and now it looks better than before. Way better than before. This LuXmaN, guys, amazing LuXmaN. Now I'm gonna go to the back, as you guys can see. Look at that, guys. Look at that lights, guys. Look at the bulbs. Those are bulbs, guys. A lot of bulbs to replace, and I don't know how much they cost, those bulbs, but I guess it's not that expensive. And if I want to do it, if I want to change it with the LED light, that would be cool. Yeah, these are the transformer, guys. Look at that. And the capacitors, guys. Huge capacitors, guys. Look at that. Amazing piece, guys. What an amazing receiver made in Japan. So, guys, here's the back. Now, what I'm gonna do here, I'll spray it with my stuff. All right, and you know, I just clean it like that. Make sure that the dust and the dirt, you know, it's gone. So you can see the dirt right there. So it's very easy, guys, to clean this receiver. Some other receivers, guys, they're not easy to clean. Some others you have to be careful, because you know, you don't want to damage the insides. You know, when you clean the insides, you got to be careful. Yeah, this is amazing, guys. I mean, what a beautiful piece, guys. I cannot wait to hear the sound of this. I mean, this is when I hook this to my good speakers, my Polk subwoofer, and my stereo speakers, guys, or my Sansui speakers, or my Marantz. This thing is gonna sound amazing, guys, no doubt about that. Just like my Marantz 1040, and that, my friend, is smaller than this. Imagine this receiver, guys. Look how big this receiver. And I already know, I can tell that this thing is gonna sound amazing. You know, the transformer is huge. You know, the capacitor is huge. So no question asked. Yeah, very nice piece, guys. I mean, I'm really happy that I bought this receiver, and I got it for $750. You know, but probably in UK, This is probably less than $500. Like what's his name, Andrew, from Vintage Stereo. If you guys check his profile or his channel in YouTube, type in Vintage Stereo, you'll see him there. We got LuXmaN, and he's a good, he's a good hunter with the stereos, because he travels and buy those stereos for good price, for lower price. And he has a video of LuXmaN. He pay 100 euros, and that would be more than $100 here, which is that receiver, guys, or integrated amplifier, I guess. That would be probably $300-400 in US, but he paid 100 euros, guys. And you'll see his video when he bought that LuXmaN. It's all black. It looks like a modern LuXmaN, and they pay only 100 UK euros. So he's a good buyer, guys. Yeah, another good stereo hunter. His name is Andrew. Yeah, and you can type in YouTube vintage stereo. Yeah, vintage stereo, either or. So either vintage stereo, you can type it in, or you can try stereo vintage, but I think it's stereo. No, I think it's vintage stereo. Yeah, so he films a lot of his collections. We're kind of the same. We collect receivers, stereos, speakers, and that's our hobbies. That's why Andrew is my idol when it comes to stereos and speakers and other stuff, because when I was a kid and when he was a kid, we have the same story, guys. So yeah, and I like that guy. He's an awesome guy. So there it is, guys. I cleaned this. I gotta finish that and put the cover back, and that's it. So very nice piece, guys, and I cannot wait to test this this receiver and listen to the sound. Yeah, amazing piece, guys, as you can see. Very nice piece, guys, and it's heavy. Oh my god, I can't even. Heavy receiver, guys. You'll hurt your back. So guys, another video from LuXmaN, and thanks for watching, and hit the subscribers, and for now I'll say bye bye. So this is a simple lunch here. Just boiling the water, and then I'm gonna put that inside of this very, very, very slow. And after that, I'm gonna turn that on. I put this right there, and we're gonna pour that water around it and let it boil. And you will see that boiling, and that's how you're gonna cook. Like Japanese style. Very simple, guys. And you'll see that it's gonna start boiling. Or you can cover it like that and let it cook. There it is, guys. Japanese. There we go.